In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an outside rear door handle on a Honda CR-V. On the inside of the door, on the left-hand side, you're going to see this rubber plug. You want to remove that. Inside there is a 10mm bolt. You want to remove that. You can take a magnet, just in case that wants to drop. Pull it out with your magnet. Now you come around to the outside part of the door handle. You pry up here with a pick. You can take your cap right off and put that off to the side. Now you want to take your door handle, pull like you're opening it, and slide it towards you. And there's your door handle. If you notice on your door handle, you're going to have this U-shaped piece here. There's a rod inside here that goes into that U piece. You want to slide that in there like that. This piece here sticks into this hole like that. Push towards you and lock it in. Now you install your cap. Take your cap, install it into the groove. You can put the bolt on your magnet like this and get it started. Tighten your 10mm bolt. Install your plug. Close your door. Make sure your handle works. And there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.